This is just a quick before and after comparison video so that you can hear what it sounds like before and after I put up my professional Audimute noise reduction panels. So I'm going to put those up. I don't have any sort of professional noise reduction panels, sound dampening panels in here in my studio right now. And I ordered them from Audimute. And so, yeah, I'm just gonna put them up and we'll hear the difference between before and after. This is the before audio without any noise reduction. And now you can hear the audio with the sound panels installed. I'm using a Rode NTG3 shotgun microphone that's right above frame. And now you can hear the audio with the sound panels installed. And here is what that sounds like without any noise reduction. So what I've done is I've installed three actually panels behind me on the walls, and then I've hung two panels that are actually meant to be for the ceiling. Basically, one's right above the camera and one's to the right of me. Now, I'll try to take a video so you can see, but I'm in an open room. So basically what I'm trying to do is create a corner of the room that is as soundproof as possible. Before this, when I would speak, especially when I would talk in this direction, I'm speaking to the open room. And so that audio is bouncing across the entire room. There's some hard floor in here, there's a ceiling, there's walls. And so now these, especially the ones that are hanging, have helped a lot. Before I hung these up, I did a couple tests with just the ones behind me. And because I'm speaking away from the wall, it didn't help that much. Now, these will help because I do film facing the wall and doing things like that as well. But right now, I basically have soundproofing around me. There are still hard surfaces that I potentially could figure out a fix for. I mean, I have my desk right in front of me. I've got this photo wall behind me that is a hard wall. And the floor actually is pretty decent because right around me I have some soft foam. So that's decent. Those foam tiles that you get, that it softens the floor. So those aren't as reverberating. Is that a word? But I did do tests. I listened to it, and hopefully if you're listening on headphones, you can really tell the difference between the before and after. And these Audimute sound panels have really helped. So I'll link to them below in the description if you want to purchase a set of your own. They aren't the cheapest, but after watching other people who have used these, shout out to Pat Flynn, to see the difference between a professional solution like this compared to the more DIY cheap approach with the sort of egg crate panels that you get on Amazon, these have worked a lot better. So I hope this video has helped you out, and I'm not affiliated or sponsored by Audimute, but I do believe in their products now that I'm using them. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.